Good morning, Isaac Lynn Middle School families. This is Mrs. Rand winding down your week of virtual learning for September the 18th, 2020. This morning, we will recite the Pledge of Allegiance, recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge, observe a moment of silence, give you a few news and announcements, and end our week with a mindful moment. At this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I am responsible for all of my actions and behavior today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right. Not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now observe a moment of silence. Here are our news and announcements to end your week. Here are news and announcements to end this week. From September 15th to October 15th, we will be celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month.
The only group of people who are truly native to America are Native Americans. The rest of us can trace our roots to ancestors who immigrated to the United States from other countries. One group of Americans who can do this are Hispanics. Hispanics and Latinos can trace their roots to Spain, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Central and South America. Around 50 million Americans call themselves Hispanic or Latino. Their customs and traditions have become a part of the United States culture. Because of this, Congress passed a law stating that September 15th through October 15th is National Hispanic Heritage Month. During this month, Hispanic activities are celebrated all over the United States. Music, food, dancing, and story readings from Latino and Hispanic history and culture are shared. Hispanic authors, poets, artists, and performers share the arts from their ancestors' countries. Hispanic active military men and women and military veterans, as well as those who have or do serve in politics, are honored. Government organizations like the National Archives and Smithsonian Institute join together to recognize the many generations of Hispanic Americans who have added great things to our nation and society. National Hispanic Heritage Month starts on September 15th and not September 1st because 5 Central American countries celebrate their independence around that day. Those 5 countries are Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. So if you're of Hispanic or Latino heritage, remember to show pride in who you are, especially between September 15th and October 15th.
Families, don't forget about your Family Decision Survey. The deadline is this Friday, September the 18th. It is extremely important that you complete the decision survey so that we get the most up-to-date information in order to plan for in-person learning. Don't forget to visit the MNPS website for the decision survey. Also, parents, don't forget, if you do not do the survey, it will be automatically assumed that your child will be attending school in person. The last day for in-person technology help is today, Friday, September 18th. Visit Jerry Baxter Middle School or Donaldson Middle School from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for your in-person technology help. Don't forget the 2021 Student Handbook permissions must be signed. Please visit www.mnps.org/handbook and click on the permissions portal to update your child's permissions. The 2019-2020 yearbooks have arrived. We are extending the pickup until next week, from Monday, October 21st to Thursday, September 24th, from 10 a.m. and to 3 p.m. You can drop by Isaac Lynn to pick up your yearbooks. If you need any information, please contact Ms. French at lisa.french@mnps.org. Parents, don't forget to email your child's teachers for your Parent Schoology Access Code to check your child's grades and assignments. Also, students, don't forget that you are expected to attend your related arts classes in addition to your ELA, math, social studies, and science classes each week. Related arts classes are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please review your virtual schedule for the specific time. In addition, Tuesdays and Thursdays should be used for students to schedule small group tutoring and help with your teacher if you need assistance with any subject. Please ask your teacher about time for tutoring and small groups. If you've taken an assessment and made a low grade, you must schedule office hour time with your teacher for reteaching before a retest will be assigned. We are continuing our campaign, You Can't Hide Your Lit and Pride no matter where you are. Because there is more than one way to show your lit and pride, we are continuing to roll out our new initiative that will help you be more engaged in your synchronous activities. Don't forget, students, these are the ways we want you to show your lit and pride. Make sure that you are prepared for class and you review your Schoology pages daily. Be respectful of the virtual environment by using the raise your hand feature, muting your mic, and using the chat for appropriate academic conversations. Don't forget to take initiative to improve your learning. Schedule those office hours or schedule small group tutoring time. Be diligent. Be on a routine every day. And lastly, we want you to engage in class. We will end this on October 1st, 2020. And as a reminder for your incentives, don't forget, when you earn 25 points, I will give you a shout out in the morning meeting. Earn 50 points and you get a Lit and swag bag. Earn 75 points and you will receive a Lit and water bottle. At 100 points, we will buy you a Lit and Pride Wear t-shirt. At 150 points, we will deliver a personal yard sign to your house. Don't forget, earn at least 100 points by the end of the quarter and you will be entered into a raffle for a $10 gift card. Don't forget, families, the Isaac Litton Middle School morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Videos are available on the Remind app or on the Isaac Litton Middle School Library website. As a reminder, no cost breakfast and lunch is provided to all families while we are operating virtually. Meals can be picked up at the school each day from 11:30 until 1. Also, we are delivering through MNPS bus routes. For more information, call 615-259-INFO. We are launching the Project Lit community here at Isaac Litton Middle School. Reach out to Ms. Garrett at catherine.garrett@mnps.org if you are interested in participating. We do have copies of the book available for students who are not able to purchase their own. The first book selection is Trevor Noah's Born a Crime. We are also encouraging everyone to participate in the I Believe in Nashville Reading Challenge with the public library. Log your minutes on the Beanstack app that is connected through the Clever portal. There's more information on the Isaac Litton Middle School Library Schoology group. If you have not signed up for the I3 STEM Club, please make sure that you do so as soon as possible. See Ms. Donaldson or Dr. Westby for more information. If you have not downloaded the Remind app, please make sure that you download the Remind app to keep up with all the news, announcements, and happenings going on at Isaac Litton Middle School. Our mindful moment for today will focus on self-management. Here's our mindful moment to wind down our Friday.
Hi, and welcome to Headspace. So no matter what's going on in your life right now, no matter how many thoughts are racing around your mind, no matter how the body's feeling, just take a moment to sit down and take a big deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, a sense of taking in fresh air, the lungs expanding. As you breathe out, a sense of letting go of any stress in the body, in the mind, just feeling the muscles soften and relax. And close your eyes if you'd like to, one more, breathing deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just take a moment to pause, allow the thoughts to come and go, and then just gently opening the eyes again.
Remember, no matter where you are, to show your lit and pride, and remember that you are loved. These are your announcements for this Friday, September the 18th, and we will see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend.